Hello everyone, my name is Gagandeep Kaur. So today I'm giving the presentation on my last assignment. So my course name is BUS1111, the Business Research Method. So here is my last assignment. So I'm giving the presentation on the topic of impact of digital payments on consumers' spending habits. So without wasting a time, we are starting from it. We starting it from that. So here is our first slide. Okay, so here is our first slide. So we all know that today's era, we all use a digital payments in our mobile phone through the digital apps like Google Pay and digital and so many other payment apps. We can easily pay our bill or grocery bill or any other bill, or we can easily pay anything on anytime, anywhere. Okay, so digital payments make our life easier with the help of the advancement of technology. So the impact of digital payments on consumer spending is my topic. So where I make my all the last assignments on this topic. So here is my research topic: how digital payments affect consumer spendings. That how digital payments affect every age or every age group. That how it affect the every age group. That the spending habits. That how the youngster use the digital payments and the older ones use the digital payments. So the topic is very the research topic is very clear. So if we have a clear research topic, it's make our assignment, or it's make our work very easier, because we have a knowledge about the research topic. We can easily make the questions or research objective, and if someone asks the question from us, we can easily give the answer. So here is my research topic. You can see in this slide that how digital payments affect consumer spendings pattern. So here's my research objective: that to study how digital payments impact consumer spendings across different demographics and payment methods. That objective is also very clear in this research topic, or in this research, that we can examine or we can study that how digital payments how impact that the spending across different demographic, that we can use on different ways or different areas in every time or anywhere. And then the question. So the research question is my research question in that assignment was, the question is that what effects do digital payment systems have on the purchasing habits of consumers of all ages and all income levels? So here is my research question, which I made in my first assignment, peer review assignment, where I started from my discourse. So my research topic and objective and question is very clear. Maybe you can easily understand this. Okay, so I make it very easier. I make in these three parts: that what is my research topic, and what is my research objective, and what is my research question. So it makes easier to see and understand that how the digital payments affect on the consumer spendings. So here is our third slide: the secondary methods. It was our second assignment in this semester, in this course. So I choose two examples from my assignment, my previous assignment, for making this presentation video. That I choose this first article. So through this article, I focusing on the developing this article focusing on the developing globe and demonstrating how access to digital payments changes consumption in lower income areas. So this study provides a comparison. So the broadens our knowledge of how spending trends are influenced by geography and the infrastructure of internet. So we can easily tell to everyone that due to the advancement of internet or advancement of technology, we can access anything or anything anywhere. We can do anything. with the help of advancement in technology. So with the help of digital payments, it make our life easier for paying the bills or anything on every anytime or anything or any area. So here's my second article, which I chosen from my last assignment. So in order to explain the vendor policy implications of my research, this study provides an original take on how top-down government driven imports impact consumers behavior by showing a national policy might influence a spending behavior. So here is my two articles which I chosen in my previous assignment. So here's the explanation of this assignment. So in the next assignment, here is my research ethics and approval. So I completed a training where I get a certificate of completions. So it's a TCPC2 core 2022. So I completed this research training. So I learned so many things from this training because I know so many new things by completing this training. So here is my student application research form, which I filled in my next assignment. So where I write the course name, my course score, and my professor name, the term, and the next that my name, my last name, and my email address, which I have from my college. So it's the approval by by my professor, because I completed this training, as well as I also fill this form in my assignment. So this is the research ethics and approval slide in this presentation. So in the next part, I made a questionnaire which had 15 questions, and it's an electronic questionnaire in Microsoft Forms. So it's a primary research. So this assignment name is primary research, where I made an electronic questionnaire in the Microsoft form with 15 questions. So this question has the demographic questions and topic specific questions which related to the topic which I have in this assignment. So I made the risk questionnaire from this assignment or from this topic. So questions type also included are text-based questions and the category and ranking, Likert, rating. So these kind of questions I include in my questionnaire, which made my questionnaire more beautiful and specific. Okay, so the next one is the sample. So for the sample, I made one report or one page of all the questionnaire or my all the research, which the primary research or a primary assignment which I completed. So after that, I made it a one page or a one slide where the Cambrian College students can easily fill the surveys. So in the convenience of sample, I chosen 20 students from all full-time Cambrian College students on the Barry Down campus. So this is very important for completing my survey or for completing my last assignment. So the topic is also same, and the participants who are the Cambrian College students need to just complete a short questionnaire, and it will take the approximately 10 to 15 minutes. So I went to the cafeteria and met with some full-time Cambrian College students. So I just show the QR code to them, then they completed the questionnaire in 10 to 15 minutes, and so after that they scan it and complete it in 10 to 15 minutes, and I get the result, and after that I collect the responses which I got from the different kind of students in the Cambrian College. So the sampling is important because it make my questionnaire more beautiful, and more students are choosing the different question or different answers. Most of the chance the students choose the same question or the same answer for the question. So I did the sampling by choosing 20 Cambrian College students by scanning this QR code, and I also sending this QR code to my friends or in my friend circles by through the WhatsApp. So because as I earlier mentioned that due to advancement of technology, today's life is easier than before. Okay, so move on the next slide. Here is my result of this questionnaire. So after completing this questionnaire, I collect the responses that what response give the what question give the what response, and how many students complete this survey. So how satisfied are you with the speed of digital payment? So it was my one of my topic question in this questionnaire. So the average rating is the most of the students given 5 star to digital payments. They are satisfied in the 5 star, and some students are giving just 3 stars and some are giving just zero. It's some. So most of the average rating is done by most of the Cambridge College students. They give the 5 star feedback to satisfaction of the digital payments. So the histogram for the payment methods is also important. So I take the result from this. From this graphs. So which I made in the Excel. So the most of the students made the different kind of payment methods at the debit, credit, and so many methods. So it shows the result clearly. And then conclusion, the most of the Cambridge College students give 5 star, only one student give 1 star feedback. Students Cambridge College love to use the online payments because it's easy for them. Some students are not using it as they do not have interest in it. So students have different kind of online payment ways, but debit and credits are very common as compared to the other. So here is the recommendations of this assignment or for this questionnaire. So making digital payments are easy to use for all age groups and all age income groups, and compare spending habits of people using digital and traditional payments. So teach people to the benefits of using digital payments, create simple and user friendly payment platforms, and study how easy access to digital payments affect buying habits. So in the next slide, there is some limitations. Only 20 students responded to the questionnaire. The questionnaire should be readministrated to determine if opinions change over time. So if the opinions are changed over time, it can be more effective. So there should be more information collected on info on the student on the questionnaire if the students use the more digital payments. So if the students using the more digital payments, maybe it's very easy for them because they have a more knowledge about that. So but some of the students who don't know that how we can use the digital payment, so that's a limitation. So thank you for giving the time for my presentation, and if you have any question you can reach to my college email. It's a00306506 at the rate cambrian.ca. Thank you so much. I hope you understand and you like it. Thank you so much.